Good morning. Today we're headed to the town of Shere, which is spelled S-H-E-R-E, and we'll see what we get into.
All right, let's go.
It is supposed to get to 90 degrees, so hopefully we can stay cool and we'll see what we can find.
It said that in the 20th century they found a secret attic that contained barrels of whiskey from the earliest one was 17.
Okay, so parking here is funny. We can't tell where any of the parking is allowed. So I'll show you in a second here. Some of these cars just look like it's obviously not a parking spot, but apparently that's how you park. Everything is super cute. Here's the White Horse, which hopefully we'll visit soon. Where's the Dabbling Duck to the right? $18.85. Yeah, so I think the problem here is that the town was before there were cars, so now cars just have to like figure it out. Two? We made a reservation for Elaine. Everything at brunch was amazing. Absolutely delicious. I had a cappuccino.
And black pudding.
Which isn't really like pudding, it's more like sausage. So they call it blood sausage in Asia. I think that's similar. We'll search it and tell you more about it down here.
Apparently it's good for your body, although it's not delicious, which most things good for your body are.
But I can't stop eating it, so. I think it's something my body craves, so. Now we're gonna take a little trip through the town and see what there is here in Shere. That is a heavy door. It's shaded. Looks terrible uphill.
You want to try it?
Sure. I ate a lot of breakfast.
It's like an old country farm.
Is that a good smear? Do I put a little arugula on top of it? Everything is picturesque. We can't stop taking pictures and videos. Every single house looks like a place that you want to see in a movie.
Behind us is the White Horse Pub. This has been the filming locations for such movies: The Holiday, Four Christmases and a Funeral, and Bridget Jones' Diaries. Both of them! They keep coming back.
Okay, we saw a lot of fun things.
1425 is when Surrey was first established. Although a lot of the buildings have been updated since its 15th century root, the Midtown has been preserved in the 16th and 17th century. So it's an amazing spot to come. About a 30-minute train ride from London. Please come out and enjoy Shere. Beer and Gin Company. Oh, this well was established by the nuns in the early 19th century to give people an alternative to the White Horse Pub down the street.
Really?
Yeah, and it just stopped flowing in 1970.
That's so cool.
But yeah, 1886 it was established, and they wanted, but because they did something else elsewhere, they stopped the water from coming down here. But it was an alternative to the pub.
All right, that was our tour of Shere. Hope you enjoyed it. Good morning. Today we are headed to the town of Surrey.
Shere.
All right, I'm gonna start recording. Oh, it's big. I was excited. I thought it was going to be my first one since I can't seem to get one.
And some black pudding.
Okay.
I feel so much taller than you.
So we just finished brunch at the Dabbling Duck. I'm trying to get closer to you.
Oh, okay.
So we just finished brunch at the Dabbling.